I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the Nest camera in the app when possible, because safe shutdown prevents corrupting firmware and resets. Once done, place the unit on a soft cloth lens side down so you don't scratch it. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a magnetic tray for screws, and your original charging cable or USB-C charger. You'll be removing the mounting base first. Gently inspect for a release screw or tab, and prepare to unscrew while supporting the camera body to avoid sudden drops. Once the mount screws are out, you separate the mount from the camera body by holding the camera steady and pulling the mount away along the cable path so clips don't snag. Next, identify any external rubber gasket or trim and gently pry it off. This exposes the case screws. Use a plastic pry tool at the seam to release clips without cracking the housing. While opening, observe battery connector orientation and cable routing, so you can reconnect exactly as it was positioned. After exposing the internals, locate the battery connector and carefully unplug it by grasping the plug, not wires, to avoid damage. Then lift the battery out and plug it into the original charger or approved external charger, following manufacturer voltage and polarity guidelines. Once charged, reseat the battery connector firmly, align the case halves and press clips until they click, then reinstall screws hand-tight to avoid strip. If the camera fails to boot after reassembly, check connector pins for debris or bent contacts and confirm battery reached sufficient voltage before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.